Munich is building for the future. As a partner in the EU Urge project, the Bavarian state capital is making an important step towards sustainability in the construction sector on the premises of the former military barracks Bayernkaserne.
Munich is committed to the goal of becoming climate neutral by 2035. A functioning circular economy in the construction sector and the recycling of building materials play a key role in this regard. We, as a municipality, can make a decisive contribution.
A great number of experts have come together to discuss how this plan could be successfully implemented.
The former military barracks, called Bayernkaserne, are an ideal location for the European project Urge. The area comprises more than 50 hectares. The pilot project envisions, among other things, the construction of 5,500 apartments.
Within the Urge project, Munich is closely cooperating with 8 other European cities. Our aim is to work together and to find innovative solutions for Europe.
And this ideal area in the north of Munich is the Bayernkaserne. Where soldiers used to practice, the old barracks building will be demolished and a new city quarter will be built. A whole 10 years are planned for this process, a feat not just for planning, but for logistics too. All demolition material are usually transported to landfills and dumps kilometers away, but now the Bayernkaserne project plans to recycle the demolition material on site and rebuild with it. This means that condemned buildings are actually stores of secondary raw materials. With these secondary raw materials, Munich is ensuring that the use of and demand for primary raw materials is drastically reduced. This requires homogeneous demolition, proper separation of materials in the crushing plant, and, last but not least, fine screening in the screening plant. By the end of this process, the source materials for the recycling products are produced.
Clearing the site for construction will result in 1.2 million tons of debris. But instead of disposing of the debris, we will recycle as much as possible directly on site.
If everything is properly demolished, sorted and screened, the newly required raw materials are processed into bulk material, substrates or recycling concrete, made of 100% reprocessed stone aggregates in the mixing plant on site. And so that the materials meet all modern construction requirements, they are, as with the use of substrates on the plant testing meadow, examined extensively before their application. These steps are all required to establish a circular economy in the construction sector. 600,000 tons of material are to be reprocessed over the next 10 years. This corresponds to roughly 1/6 of the total amount needed for the new construction. Another positive effect, with this model project, we are also reducing the transport routes in and out of the barracks by 3.3 million kilometers, that is, 82 times around the Earth.
As a partner in EU projects, we help to shape the continent's Europe's future. Munich's strong economy is the ideal playground to test and develop new solutions in this process.
Munich benefits here from the experiences of the Urge partner towns Utrecht, Netherlands, Copenhagen, Denmark, Prato, Italy, Granada, Spain, Kavala, Greece, Riga, Latvia, Maribor, Slovenia, and the Portuguese region of Oeste. And they are all equally benefiting from Munich's experiences. And for 15,000 people, the Bayernkaserne model project means a new sustainably and ecologically built home in the north of Munich.
As part of the process, Munich is actively seeking dialogue with other European cities. After all, we are a Europe of cities, where topics of the future are lived and developed. And only by joining forces can we successfully meet the challenges posed by the climate crisis.